Let's talk about something we don't talk about enough. Confidence isn't just a mindset, it's an energy state. You don't usually lose confidence, you lose energy. When I first found this out and understood it, so many of my confidence problems suddenly made so much more sense. Let's break it down. You know how your phone behaves at 80%? Smooth, responsive, fast, yet even generous. You let other people use it to Google things. Now check yourself at 80%. You're creative, decisive, grounded, optimistic. But at 20%, your phone glitches, freezes, opens that weird app you never use. Start tapping things aggressively like it's the phone's fault. Now check yourself at 20%. You're doubting everything, overthinking everything, opening emotional apps you do not click on. You're one inconvenience away from whispering, "Alright, that's it. Everybody, just leave me alone." You're not broken though. You're not failing. You're just undercharged. Confidence doesn't fade because you're weak or lazy. It fades because your battery is low. So what are the real reasons confidence fades? 1. Emotional overuse. Life drains you quietly. Relationships drain you. Ambition drains you. School, work, expectations, pressure. All of it pulls energy from the same emotional battery. Most people are leaking energy and don't even know it. 2. Acting fine when you're exhausted. Pretending to be okay when you're not is not strength. It's emotional self-gaslighting. Confidence requires honesty. I'm tired. I need help. I need rest. Okay, I think I need to pause. Honesty conserves energy. Pretending just drains it. 3. Too many mental tabs open. Your brain is not Google Chrome. Stop opening 79 tabs all at once. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is close something, stop something, pause something. 4. Confusing momentum with energy. Some of you are flying through life at high speed, but internally, your battery icon is so red. Movement is not the same as power. Activity is not the same as vitality. 5. You lack a recovery ritual. Athletes recover, performers recover, musicians recover, but you try to push through everything, every day, like you're made of steel. That's not discipline, that's self-neglect. Recovery is part of confidence and part of life. I used to think I was lazy sometimes. I would look at tasks I wanted to do so badly, genuinely wanted, and still feel no energy to start. Then one day I found this out and I realized, I'm not lazy, I wasn't lazy. I was just simply drained. If my battery is at 5% and I'm expecting myself to perform at 90%, then I'm just kidding myself and wasting my time. Once you can see that, you can't unsee it. I once met a student who told me, "Daisy, I don't understand. Week 1 of the term, I'm lying, fierce, so pounded. Week 6, I'm a domesticated house cat." And I said, "Nothing is wrong with you. The term is long, the semester is long. Your energy just dropped, and your confidence followed. When your energy wears down, even your identity feels different." Think about a parent who snaps at a child. We don't even need to imagine it. Just think back to your childhood. But when you think about it now, looking at it from this perspective, it's easy to see that they didn't do it because they were mean parents. They didn't do it because they don't love us. They were just at 5%. They didn't have the emotional battery to respond like the best version of themselves. Energy changes behavior. Behavior shapes confidence. It's all connected. And procrastination, often not laziness. It's your body whispering, "I cannot carry another thing right now. Please just let me breathe a bit." When your energy returns, your discipline returns with it. Alright, so what does refilling actually mean? A lot of people think refilling is scrolling through on social media. That's not refilling. That is distracting. Refilling is anything that restores your emotional, mental, or physical battery. It should leave you feeling clearer, calmer, more anchored, more you. Refilling is not mindless scrolling, gossiping, binge escaping, overconsumption, overwhelming yourself with entertainment. Those things numb you. They don't fuel you. So what should refilling feel like then? A refill should leave you feeling like lighter, calmer, more grounded, more present, more capable, like you've returned to yourself, you're back. You know the feeling, the moment when your brain clicks back into place again. That's what we're aiming for. Let's talk about real, simple, powerful refills that actual high-performing humans use. Because refilling doesn't require a holiday in Hawaii, even though I'm pretty sure we'll all appreciate that, I'm sure. Let's take Mark Zuckerberg for example. He takes walking meetings. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated. Just steps, plus fresh air, plus talking. Walking is a proven cognitive reset. It clears mental fog and restores problem-solving clarity. Let's take Serena Williams. She takes, or rather she took, micro-recovery breaks. Short, intentional resets between training sets. These prevented burnout and kept her sharp. A 5 to 10 minute reset can literally save your entire day. Or let's look at Thomas Edison. Edison took intentional thinking naps. He would rest holding metal balls in his hands so they drop when he'd sleep, waking him just as his mind entered its most creative state: rest, activation, insight. Most great writers, Maya Angelou, Haruki Murakami, maintain a simple daily ritual: a short walk, a quiet moment, a small joy. These rituals refill the mental lake that their creativity comes from. You don't need expensive rituals. You just need consistent refills. A 10-minute walk, a micro nap, drinking water, a clean room corner, deep breathing, standing outside for sunlight, a playlist reset, saying no once a week, ending one draining relationship, a small win checklist, small refills, powerful stability. They're all connected. One translates to the other. Refill in the way that works for you. Some people refill socially, some refill alone, some refill by journaling, some by movement, some by silence, some by prayer, some by nature, some by music. There is no universal refill, but there is your refill. Find the things that restore you, and do them deliberately. The most effective refills are the small daily ones, not the big dramatic ones, not taking a break once you collapse once, but tiny top-ups throughout the day. Micro consistency builds macro confidence. Okay, say this with me, slowly.
My confidence lasts when my energy lasts. I rise to the level of my energy, not my pressure. I take care of my flame. I don't need to burn bright all the time. I just need to burn steady.
Because the goal is not to burn out with intensity, it's to finish with endurance.